Flyers out. Here's a song. This was one of George Strait's, bless you dear, one of George Strait's last big hits. So they call Here for a Good Time, and that's what we're all here for, a good time. Here for a good time. One thing I want to say is get somebody in lessons. You know, it's hard to believe, but there are a lot of people out there that don't know they want to dance yet. Just have to get the word out to them. I think in the Northeast Council, in the Denver area, they've got 175 new dancers. They just graduated out of all the areas. So they had a good bunch. Here's a little George Strait song. Circle that. Well, I'm not gonna lay around and whine and moan. The men start right one time tonight. Left Alabama in the corner with that old ring. Don't think for a minute that I can't win it. Swing your girl, promenade her. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. Head square through 4. Do-si-do. Swing through. Spin your top. Move up and square through 3. Reach over, courtesy turn. Slide 2. Swing your corner, promenade her. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for the good time. Heads promenade halfway. Come down the middle, do a right and left through. Same head, square through 4. Meet the sides, make a right hand star and turn your star. Head star left, 1 full turn. Swing your corner, promenade her. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here, Miles, don't make me come out there. Circle left. Well, there's no way of knowing what tomorrow brings. The men star right, one time around. Left Alabama in the corner with that old ring. I'll take the chance and dance the dance. Swing your girl, promenade her. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for the good time. Side couples square through 4. Step to an ocean wave and then swing through. Boys run. You bend the line, go right and left through. Let's flutter wheel. Slide through, swing your corner, promenade her. I'm out here for a long time. I'm here for the good time. Some of these calls I've never seen done like that before. Side couples square through 4. Make a right hand star. Side star to the left. Now pick up your corner, arm around, star promenade that girl. All back out, join hands, circle left. Boys swing a girl and promenade. Back out, circle to the left. Boats are on the green about what they, it's hard to call when you're laughing. The men star right, one time around. Left Alabama in the corner with that old ring. So bring me some sunshine and pour me some moonshine. Swing your girl, promenade her. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for the good times. Do an Alabama left with the corner. Come back and bow to your partner. Turn about your corner. Give yourself a nice hand. Have a safe trip home. We'll see you around the square. Thanks for coming out.